Oh, hi friends. Be sure to watch your step right there. Our exhibits team is really busy right now working on construction for our next exhibit. They're also working really hard for our upcoming Family Fun Weekend, Construction Zone Ahead. You know, I have an idea of a way that we can help them out. I know a craft where we can make glow-in-the-dark signs we can hang around the museum just to make sure everyone stays super safe during this time. Come on! Now, I'm making caution signs for my friends around the museum, but you can make any designs that you want. Here's what you'll need: glue, paintbrushes, cardstock paper, washable paint, a flashlight, and photoluminescent powder. You heard that right, photoluminescent powder. That's what's going to make our paint glow in the dark. I'm using this powder pigment I found online, and I'll be sure to include the link down below. Now, photoluminescence is the emission of light from a material following the absorption of light. I know that can be hard to understand, but what it means is that when you shine a light on a powder, the powder sucks up the light, and then the light releases it slowly, allowing it to glow. Now, the longer you hold the light to the pigment, the brighter it's going to be, because the more light gets absorbed into the color, and then the more light will be able to be emitted out, and the longer it will glow. Now, it's important when doing any kind of construction or building that the workers are able to be seen. That's why they wear bright colors or these high visibility vests. Step 1. Paint your background with washable paint. You can also sketch out what you'd like to do beforehand, like I did. Moving on, be sure to wait until your paint fully dries. Step 2, take your glue and squeeze out your raised design. I'm using it on the outline of the letters to make my sign really pop. Step 3, before the glue dries, sprinkle the photoluminescent powder over the glue so it sticks to those parts of the painting. Tap off any excess powder onto newspaper or into a bowl. Step 4, use a flashlight or an LED light to charge the paint. Charging is when the light gets absorbed into the powder, allowing it to glow. Now, I think this sign would actually help some of our guests more than our exhibits team, but I already made plenty of signs I think we can hang around the museums to help everybody on staff. Phew. Well, I'm glad we were able to make the museum safe and ready for our Construction Zone Ahead Family Fun Weekend coming up. Also, be sure to mark your calendar because we have a special member-only preview of our Cobweb Castle coming up on September 29th from 5 to 7 p.m. That's why the exhibits team is working so hard. Well, have a great day and we'll see you soon.